Hi guys, so I'm in Pakistan for the first time. Yes, so this is the stunning view of the northern Pakistan. So I'm creating my first ever vlog where I will be talking and telling you exactly where I'm exactly. It's an amazing trek. We'll be showing you around the beauty of the northern Pakistan exactly, and hope so you will enjoy. And while walking, I will be telling you where I am exactly throughout the trek. It's totally different view than I am showing you around Doha, Qatar, the landscapes of the Doha. So it's the natural view of the northern Pakistan. It's about 4 kilometers of pure natural beauty, fresh mountains, as you've seen, and a smoothing silence. Let's get walking. The trail starts here at Ayubia, right behind the PTDC hotel. It's an easy, almost flat walk, perfect for families or anyone who wants to escape the hustle city life. It's an old water pipeline that is used to supply water to Murray from Ayubia. Smells of pines and wild herbs, as you've seen. So guys, let me know how would you like this video. Did you enjoy it or not? Let me know in the comments below. We are about halfway to Dunga Gali. The breeze here is unreal. So quiet, you can actually hear your own footstep. Did you hear the bird chirping? As I get closer to Dunga Gali, the first starts to thin out a bit, and you get these amazing views and hills and valleys. On clear days, you can even spot parts of Nathia Gali from here. Let me show you, we have covered from there way around till here, half of the way is almost covered. Let me show you quite closer. As you seen, stunning view. I'm so impressed. It's like my first time here in Pakistan, but I'm amazed of the beauty. Guys, feeling the natural sound? So amazing, so charm, so cool. Look at there. Feel like how they live there. You see? This is one of the wonders of Pakistan as considered by the northern people. So guys, by passing through this amazing trek, found this board, like it says, you are losing like 15 billion me every year. Preserve or be ready to perish. It's a message for everyone around. If you are lucky, you might even spot some foxes or rare birds around here. There, I'm not tired, but this place like forces you to slow down. Wow, just look at that view. You don't need a drone actually. The mountains just open themselves up to you here. Let's keep walking. Charming little hill station. Ayodhya is not far from here. It feels frozen in time. I can smell chai brewing already. Perfect walk. You can rarely find butterflies for Ayodhya National Park. Rarely. Ever visit Pakistan, this northern area is called Galiyat. Decomposition process. It's all about the trees decomposition process. Look at here. You will find all around on the trek these boards showing you about the wildlife, the trees. Look at the stunning view. If you ever thinking about visit Pakistan, don't forget Galiyat region, full of amazing beauty. Guess what? When I was in Doha last week, so the temperature was like around 42 degree. Here in northern areas of Pakistan, where I visit like first ever time, It's around like 5 to 6. So it's getting colder as we are getting closer to Ayubia. Look at the fallen tree. Yes, if you visit like in December, you will find a snow here everywhere. It would be covered. Mountains would be covered with snow. It's famous for the snow. Like every northern area in Pakistan, I just heard like you will find snow everywhere. Usually in November until February end.